we are going on our trip to San Diego. So you guys are gonna come with me to pack. You guys seen that I got these travel stuff, so we're gonna put them to use and fill them up with all of our travel stuff. So come with me. Let's get started with the packing. packed in my jewelry. I have all my bracelets, I have all my earrings, and then these are all of my necklaces. Oh, one combined. But this is how it looks with the jewelry. My boyfriend's gonna pack his stuff, so that's why you guys are only seeing my stuff, but this is gonna be filled with more jewelry, by the way. And then we already did my makeup. This thing is full, like to the brim. Like I literally have all of my new makeup and old makeup in there. I already have those two packed. Now I gotta go pack all of my clothes, and I think that's it, because I already packed the restroom stuff, my makeup, and my jewelry. So I just gotta pack up all my clothes. So now I need to pick out one of my perfumes that I want to take. So I think I'm gonna take my Ariana Grande perfume. I've been using her a lot, so we're just gonna put it right here. I already packed my straightener, because if I want to straighten my hair or curl my hair. And this stuff, the pills, my travel makeup brushes, and then my lip care. I'm gonna put this in my purse, so when I need it, I have it. I'm gonna clear everything out of this purse and only take what I need to take. I'm basically done packing. I just need to pack some towels, and then he just needs to pack the rest of his clothes. I'm all done packing. I think I'm just gonna take sandals and then probably like one pair of shoes, just in case it gets cold, because I really don't know what the weather is going to be there. It says the 80s, but you never know in San Diego. I will see you guys in the morning when we're getting ready to leave, because then I'm going to do more packing, which is packing my blanket, the kitchen stuff, and like whatever we're going to take to the hotel. So I'll see you guys once we wake up in the morning. Good morning, vlog. So today's the day we are leaving for our trip. I already took a shower. I shaved my face, shaved my legs, shaved my armpits. So I basically did all the shower stuff. So now I'm just gonna get ready and then make sure I packed everything that I needed to pack. And then we should be there in like an hour, because it's 8:14. They want to leave in an hour, but we'll see. Because my boyfriend's still laying in bed, not getting dressed, and he's the one that takes forever. Right now, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup, like I always do, not too much. I'll see you guys when we start heading out of the house. I just wanted to update you guys on where we're at. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi, so I just finished my makeup. I just did concealer and blush and mascara, and then I tried out this new lip liner that I got. It came with the matching lipstick, so I just put that, and then I got a glitter lip oil supposedly, so that's how it looks. If you guys see hair, sorry, I tried to shave my face. But now I'm just gonna start loading everything in the car. I'm gonna have my mother bring the car, and I'm just probably gonna load like the little stuff. So let's get to loading the car. Okay guys, so we are in the car. Everything's loaded in the trunk. When we start heading on the road to get to San Diego, I'm not gonna record anything because I do get really bad motion sickness. I can really feel the sickness trying to come up, like me throwing up. I brought a bag just in case if anything happens. But yeah, if we like stop at like a gas station or something, I will film that for you guys. But on the way over there, I'm not gonna film nothing. Right now we just dropped off our dog at their grandma's house because we can't take him on the trip because the hotel doesn't allow dogs. But he's at least not gonna be alone in a house that some people do. So we just dropped him off. I think we might stop at the store because we have to get some drinks, some snacks, and sunscreen because I don't have no more sunscreen. I'm not sure if we're gonna stop at my job, Walmart, or like on our way over there, but if we do, I'll record it for you guys. I have my blanket, and then this is the bag that I have in case I throw up or need to throw up. But hopefully I don't have to use the restroom during the trip over there because I have really bad stomach issues. So hopefully I'm good. I haven't ate anything. I'm scared to eat anything because I know if I eat something I'm gonna feel nauseous and I want to poop it out. Not to be gross or nothing, but if I don't eat I still feel the same thing. So I'm like, and I don't like to take those motion sickness pills that everybody recommends because I feel like that's still gonna make me sick. But yeah, my back is doing okay today. It's way better than it was yesterday, so that's a good thing. But it still hurts though to like get up and to like bend down. It still hurts. It hurts to like kind of do some stuff, but my boyfriend is helping me though. So that is the update on everything so far. I know this vlog is just me talking mostly, but it's because we're really leaving today. Just wait a couple more clips and then you guys will see San Diego. So I'll see you guys. I know I keep saying that. I'll see you guys when we get to a store or a gas station. Okay, so we just got to the hotel. Right now we're getting ice for the ice chest, and then we're gonna go head to the beach. I'm drinking Dr. Pepper and we're getting ice because we don't have nothing. Hi everyone, so we made it to the beach. We're in San Diego. I'm not feeling that great today. I have a really bad headache. I feel really nauseous. I felt like throwing up like 3 times today. But we are at the beach, so we're just chilling. The water's too cold to go in, but if we do end up going in, I'll probably have my mom record some clips just so you guys can see. But I don't think we're gonna really do anything today besides just be at the beach all day. So yeah, so I would try to get some clips for you guys of us at the beach and stuff. Update for today. I just want to go back to the hotel and like take a nap because I honestly just feel so sick right now. But I'll keep you guys updated. I changed and I put my bathing suit on,
because I was getting my clothes wet that I was supposed to wear after it was done getting wet. My boyfriend got in. I don't know. I think that was him. I don't know if you guys can see him. I think that's him. He's already in fully. I'm not gonna get in fully. I'm too scared because the water is super cold. But I don't know. It's hard to get guys content like of the ocean because there's nobody to record but me. But I'm just gonna keep updating you guys. So I went in. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's windy as fuck. But I went in. The water is cold as hell. But I can't see, guys. The sun is so bright. I have a fat headache. This vlog is gonna be all over the place because I can't get recording of us in the ocean. I mean, I tried, but I think it came out wonky, but it's okay. So my dad-in-law and brother-in-law went in. My boyfriend is right there. I mean, at least I'm getting recording of them than me because I can't record myself and I'm too embarrassed to record in front of everybody. Look at him, he's so cool. We came to the car, putting everything away. I'm wearing my boyfriend's old wrestling shirt. It is hot out here. Okay, so we have a mirror right here which comes out. There's tissues, there's towels, there's a coffee maker, a hair dryer, some little bars of soap and lotion. And then if you turn this on, there's the mirror. And then we have an AC that you guys see. Let's see here. Oh look, the ice. The cups, and then for the ice. Found it! Me and Mateo. And then we have this long mirror. We have a fridge, a microwave, 2 drawers, the TV, a desk, me and my boyfriend's bed, my mom and my brother-in-law, and then this has 1 drawer with a Holy Bible. Then right here there is 2 plugs. These ones have 2 plugs, and this is the whole room. Not really much, but we're only staying here for 2 nights, so yeah, we're gonna take a shower, relax, and then probably get something to eat and then go to Walmart, or go to Walmart and then get something to eat. I don't know, one of those 2. Okay, so I'll take a shower. Well, me and my boyfriend took a shower. Now we're gonna go ahead to Walmart. I lost my nose piercing, so that's gonna be the first thing I have to buy is nose piercing, and then I'm probably gonna buy some snacks that I like, and then we're probably gonna, if there's hot food there, we're probably gonna get some food there because we're all hungry and hangry. So I'll see you guys when we get to Walmart. And we just arrived at Walmart, but I see a Dollar Tree right there, but I can't go to it, so we're just going to Walmart. So we just got snacks. Had to get these earrings because freaking jewelry place was closed and they couldn't give me any. So that is everything I got. I got some of these because I love these. I'm gonna give them a haul when we get to the hotel. This one is packed as fuck. Don't mind my boyfriend. We are back home from the vacation, but I forgot to make an outro like always. But I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of San Diego trip for my boyfriend's birthday week.
I swear.
So make sure to give it a thumbs up.
Are you going Lodi?
Make sure to subscribe and make sure to comment on what was your favorite part. And make sure to turn on the post notifications so you don't miss another video of mine. And again, thank you guys for 50 subscribers. I know that's not a lot to some people, but to me that's a lot. That's like halfway to 100 subscribers, and that means 50 people like my content. So that's crazy, because I started off at 22 subscribers and we're at 50 subscribers. That is so crazy. I never thought I would have 50 subscribers. 50 people like my content. That's crazy. But yeah, thank you guys for today's vlog. See you guys in the next vlog, which is part 2 of San Diego trip.